nasa piling mo, mundo'y magiging ikaw. Kung nahihirapan ka, sumabak ka, pagmasdan ng mga tala. Aking sinta, ikaw na mananatili nasa piling mo, mundo'y magiging ikaw. Napagkasama tayo, sunod sa bawat galaw. Siyempre, asan yung ano? Wait lang po. Kamusta kayo dyan? Okay pa? Yung mga tao po dyan nakaupo dyan sa pinakadulo. May ginawa kayo dyan? Hello? Okay pa sila? Okay, ngayon po papasalamatan ko po muna ang mga nakasulat dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Of course, Dapitan City Mayor again, Seth Bonet Alasos, happy birthday. Zanorte Governor Rosalina Nene Alasos, thank you so much, BM. ALSI and SB members, did I say it correctly? City Administrator Torny Ams Tumapon, Department Heads, Organizer Kat Hamoy, Balay Hamoy, Prince Adasa Hamoy, former Congressman Romeo Alasos Jr., former Congressman Cesar Alasos, Mayor Celia Alasos, BM Angel Carion, BM... At dahil, Mayor, maraming salamat po. Kakantahan ko kayo ng happy. Pwede ba natin kantahan si Mayor? Ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy day to you.
Happy birthday po!
Hello. Hoy, hindi ako kakanta ha. Pero honestly, thank you Gigi so much for coming to Dapitan. Yung sinabi mo, that's more than enough to put Dapitan in the back. Alam mo, we've been trying so hard. Dito sa Mindanao, napakahirap pa. Ibenta ang Mindanao, ibenta ang Zamboanga del Norte. So, for all the haters, wala akong pakialam eh. Honestly, I don't care. Ang inaano ko lang sa inyo, I hope you understand what we're doing for Dapitan and the Zamboanga del Norte. Yung mga events na to, sinabi nila sa birthday ko. No, it is not for my birthday. Yung victory party na to is for the victory of Dapitan that hosted Ironman 5150. Dalawa lang na city ang pwede mag-host ng
birthday.